This cutting box project is a great introduction to cutting for preschoolers. You will need the following materials to make your own: colored cardstock, preschool scissors, a pencil box, pencil, black marker, and ruler. I cut each paper into 4 pieces. I use my ruler and pencil to make different designs for her to cut. I trace those lines with a black marker to make them more noticeable. Now allow your child to practice cutting. You may need to explain what your child should do with each type of cutting line. The box is in place to hold the papers once cut. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.